Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, Dynamic Web Page in HTML5. In this chapter, we will learn embedding audio, video and frame set, learn JavaScript, creating web page with JavaScript, input and output in JavaScript. Friends, in the previous class we have discussed that how to create an HTML document, how to insert list, tables and forms in a web page. In this chapter, we are going to focus on how to embed audio and video in HTML. Using the embed tag or the video tag, we are inserting audio or video in web page. So let's see how to add the embed tag in HTML document and how we can get the output with a video in our web page. Let's see. Here I open the notepad, then write the document program. In this line here, open the embed tag, then add the attribute src equal to open double quotes. Here we have to write the path of the video which we are trying to insert. Here I try to insert the video which is present in my laptop, which is wildlife. Just right click on the video, select copy as path, or you can take properties. Okay, properties and just copy the path, or either you can take copy as path. Okay, then take our notepad document, just place Ctrl V here. Okay, next we want to add the width and height of the document. Here width is 500 and height is 400 given. We can also add the same width and height in our document. Okay, here we copied the video path. Next you have to save the document. Click on save button. Here I am saving the HTML document on my desktop itself. Taken the desktop, then just give a name wildlife.html. Let's see the web page. Double click on the document. Here the video is added. Just click on play button. Okay, you can see the video here. This is the way how we add video in HTML document. Okay, next we can discuss how to insert image in HTML. A web page with images attract the users to that website. Okay, so using the img image tag, we can insert images. The images put into a web page are called inline images. Along with the img tag, we have to give the attributes also. src is one attribute which is used to specify the name and location or the URL of the images you want to insert. For example, img src equal to dance.jpg. Okay. Also, if you want to align, if you want to mention the position of the image, you can use the attribute align. Align equal to right or left. Okay. Similarly, you can use top, middle, bottom, etc. position. Next is edge space attribute. Edge space means horizontal space. Horizontal space. Okay. This attribute specifies the horizontal space around the image. Same way, V space, which specifies the vertical space. So we can use the attribute V space. Next is width attribute. If we want to specify the width of an image, we can use the attribute width. Okay. Next we can go through one program using the that how to insert the image tag along with its attribute width, align, V space, edge space. Okay. This like this we can create one document. Okay. So just write the HTML codes in our notepad. Click on new tab. Here we have to give the location and name of the image which is present on our system. Okay, Okay, here I check on D drive. Just click on the images folder. I just copied one images path here. Just copy it on the image tag. Okay, here I added path of first image. Same way you can add the path of second image also. Take the images folder. Here I copied the path of second image. So let's see the document. Just click on save. Here I am saving the document in desktop itself, giving image.html. Click on save button. Okay, now we can double click the document here. Okay, here we inserted two images using attributes align, vspace, hspace, etc. Okay. Next we can move on to frames. Frames. Table is a component of a web page. Table means which can divide the data into number of rows and columns.
A frame enables the user to divide a page into number of rectangular regions or windows in various sizes. A page can have one or more frames. Using the frame set tag, we can add frames to our web page. So let's see.
Program using frame set tag. Here HTML tag is open, then open the head tag, title tag, then use the frame set calls. You can give one value here, calls for calls and rows attribute. Then you have to insert one path of an HTML document. Okay, here frame src equal to, here you have to insert the web page address which you have already created. Here we already created two web pages. One is for wildlife showing the embed video document, and another web page is using the image attribute. Okay, using image tag we had created another HTML document, so we can apply that document's path here. Here one frame is added. Here the page is divided into 4 frames, so here we are going to add one frame on one frame tag, one HTML document web page address here, and second web page address we can give here, third web page address we can give, and the fourth web page address is you can give any other web pages. Here Google's address is added, so we can try this. Here I input the codes here. Here I opened frame set tag, then give the values for calls and rows. Then I inserted the web page which we have already created, which is image. Using image attribute we had the copy this web page address from here for one frame set tag, and copied the second web page address for the second frame set tag which I added here, and third one we can give any other, or if it is not necessary. Okay, just we have to see the page splitting. Okay, and the fourth frame tag and for the fourth frame tag I had given the Google address. Okay, so just copy, save this document using frame.html file name, and then just double click this. Okay, here you can see the page is split into 4. Here I already given 4 web pages address. Fourth one I just give a dummy ID, that's why it is not visible. Okay, so no problem. Here we have the scrolling ID also. Okay, you can move the scrollers. Okay, this is the way how frame tag is applied. Next we can move on to JavaScript. JavaScript is actually a scripting language. If we want to make the HTML document more interactive and dynamic in nature, we can use the JavaScript scripting language. JavaScript is used both on the client side and server side. The features of JavaScript is given. It is used both on the client side and server side. Also, JavaScript gives the user enhanced control. It is used with HTML code and run on web browsers. It is case sensitive. Okay, so we can use the JavaScript in two ways, both internally and externally. We can see how internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript code is code that is placed anywhere within the web page between the HTML tags, which means we can give the JavaScript code can be placed in the head section or can be placed in the body section. Just you can apply it on anywhere in the web page. Okay, this is the syntax: head script JavaScript code, then close the script tag, close the head tag, or body script. Using the script tag we are inserting the internal JavaScript. Okay, next is external JavaScript. Can be written in a file and saved with the extension .js. We have to just click on the save with .js extension. Okay, after creating it to the HTML file in the script tag, src attribute is used to import the external JavaScript file.
Here, first.js is the external JavaScript file.
Creating web page with internal JavaScript. Here, type script type equal to text bar JavaScript between the head and close head tag. Use the alert method, alert function. Here we are using the alert method to display virtual alert box that contains some specified message and an OK button. Here the program is HTML head title. You can give my first JavaScript here. Then script, using the script tag you can give the JavaScript code here. Script type equal to text bar JavaScript. Trying to see an alert message which is hello world. We need to get an output like this. This page says hello world. For that we have to insert hello world and close the script tag. Okay, so we can apply this in an HTML document. Open the document, type the HTML code here. Okay, just click on save button, click on desktop. I just internal js.html. Okay, just click on save button. Just double click on this. Here we can see the alert box here where it says hello. This is internal JavaScript. Okay.
Creating web page with external JavaScript.
Let's see. To use the external JavaScript, first open the notepad and type alert hello world. Then save the file with .js extension. Open another notepad and type the following code: HTML head title my first JavaScript close title. Then add the external JavaScript link. Script type equal to text bar JavaScript and src equal to external.js. This is the external JavaScript file. Here we attach the location of this external JavaScript file. Then close the script, close head, close body. Then inside the body section you have to write this message box is displayed using external JavaScript. Close body, close HTML. Then save the file with .html extension and open the web page in web browser. This is the output that we will get when we use the external JavaScript. So let's check it. First, let's open the notepad. Then type alert hello world. Save the file with .js extension. File, save, click the destination. Give the file name external.js. Save it on desktop. Then open another notepad and write the program. Inside the body tag, you have to give the message. This message box is displayed using external JavaScript. Then close body tag, close HTML. Then save the file with .html extension. Here you can give the name exter.html. Any file name you can give. Save it on desktop. Click Save. Then open the web page. Here the message is displayed. This is the way how we use external JavaScript in a program. Next is statements in JavaScript. Statements are the programming instructions written in a program in a JavaScript. And a collection of statements is called a script or a program. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. Keywords. Here we have keyword is a reserved word that has special meaning for the JavaScript. Words which let for, const, function, if, return, etc. are examples. Variable means it is a name of storage location. Where variable name equal to value. Where is the keyword and variable name is a valid name for the variable. For example, if we are trying to insert age, we have to give the where age equal to value 16, where name equal to a. If it is string, we have to insert it in double quote. Okay. Next is operators. Operators we know they are used to perform mathematical and logical computations. Expressions we know it is a valid unit of code. For example, a equal to b plus c. Comments we know single line comments, multi-line comments. Input and output in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we use the prompt function to ask the user for input. Prompt function here where age equal to prompt, enter your age. When the preceding statement is executed, a prompt box will appear in the web browser asking to input the age. By default, the input taken by the prompt method is considered a string in JavaScript. If you want to perform some mathematical calculations, then you have to convert the value into an integer by using the parseInt method. So where num equal to parseInt prompt enter first number. Document.write method is used to display the output of the web page. For example, document.write hello from JavaScript. Let us create a web page to calculate sum of two numbers. Add the codes HTML head title statements in JavaScript, close head tag, open the body tag, then use the script tag. Script type equal to text bar JavaScript, where here we have to find the sum of two numbers. For that we have to give the, so here we use the where keyword space a equal to parseInt. Here we have to get the integer number. Here we need to get the number. So we are using parseInt method. ParseInt prompt, enter first number, parseInt prompt, enter second number, where c. Here we are using the expression c equal to a plus b. For getting the output, we are using document.write sum of a and b. Then document.write c. Close the script tag, close the body tag and close HTML. So let us create a web page using this code. Open the notepad, write the codes here. Then click on save button, give the destination. Here I am giving statements. Click on save button. Double click on here. We can see the instruction. Enter first number. Here I am giving 20. Click on OK. Next we short enter second number. Here I give it 30. Here the value is displayed. Sum of A and B is 50. Okay. Here this is the way how we are inserting statements. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.